Good morning, children. So now we are going to discuss the case of defects of vision. This defects of vision is occur because the power of in the case of eye lens, you know that eye lens is having ability to adjust the focal length. Gradually this eye lens is loses its ability to adjust this focal length and means power of accommodation. That leads to this defects of vision. So when we are concerned the case of defects of vision, basically there are three types of defects of vision. So first we are going to discuss the case of myopia. Myopia, or it is known as nearsightedness. Nearsightedness. This is the first types of defects of vision, myopia or nearsightedness. So in the case of a myopia or a nearsightedness, those who are suffering from this myopia or nearsightedness, so you can see that in this type of a defect, the person is able to see nearby object, but not able to see far away object. From the name itself, we can understand nearsightedness. So the person is able to see nearby object, but not able to see far away object. So such types of defects of vision is known as a myopia or a nearsightedness. So in this case, person is not able to see far away object. So person is suffering from, he is not able to see far away object. So in that case, we can see that how this myopic eye is coming. So if you are representing the case of a myopic eye, you can see that this way, human eye we are representing. Suppose if the object is at infinity, far away, you can see that light radiations are coming from infinity. In that case, the image is forming in front of this retina. Like this image is forming in front of this retina. So this defect only we call it as a myopia or a nearsightedness. Because of this image is forming in front of this retina, we are not able to see the image, which is which is at a very far away object. So this type of defect is arises mainly due to two reasons. The first reason is you can see that image is forming in front of this retina only. So the first reason is the converging power of the eye lens is more. The converging power of the eye lens is more, so image is forming in front of this retina. And another reason is you can see that the eyeball can be elongated. The size of the eyeball can be increased. So there can be elongation of the eyeball. So these are the two reasons in which myopia or nearsightedness can be occur. And this type of defects of vision can be corrected by using concave lens. So we can see that when a person is wearing this concave lens. So this is a human eye, and object is coming, light radiations are coming from infinity. So this is not able to see. When we are seeing this concave, means when we are wearing this concave lens like this way, so light radiations are diverging, we know that. And this image appears to focus at this point, and this point only we can say that the far point of this myopic person. So this is our far point of this myopic person, so we can say that. And this image is act as a object for this eye lens, and the final image is, we can see that in this case the final image is exactly forming on this retina. This way final image is forming on this retina. So this is a way, while wearing this concave lens, we can correct this defect of a myopia or a nearsightedness. So now we are going to discuss the second defects of vision, that is known as hypermetropia or farsightedness. So in this case, we can see that person is able to see far away object. Those who are having this type of defects, they are able to see far away object, but they are not able to see nearby object. Farsightedness. So in the case of a myopia or a farsightedness, person is able to see far away object but not able to see nearby object. Such defects of vision is known as hypermetropia or farsightedness. So in this type of defects, the problem is with the nearby object. So the near point of a hypermetropic person is recedes away than the actual near point. So let us see how this defect is occur. So in the case of a hypermetropic person, So you can see that he is not able to see nearby object. So the light radiations which are coming from this nearby object focusing behind this retina, like this image is forming behind the retina. So he is not able to see this object. There are two basic reasons in which this hypermetropia or farsightedness is occur. The first reason is we can see that the converging power of the eye lens is less. Power of the eye lens is less, that is the reason image is forming behind the retina. And the second reason is the eyeball becomes too short. The size of the eyeball is decreases. So these are the two reasons in which hypermetropia or farsightedness can occur. And this type of defects we can correct it by using lens. That means in this case we are using a convex lens of a suitable power. We can correct this type of defects. Let us see how we are correcting these defects by using a convex lens. So when we are wearing this convex lens, we can see that so the light radiations which are coming from this nearby object forming image here, and that image is act as the object for this eye lens, and the final image is forming on this retina. We are seeing that the person is not able to see nearby object. In this type of a defect, person is not able to see nearby object. So when we are nearing this convex lens, the image of this object is forming the near point of this hypermetropic person, and that image is act as the object for this eye lens, and the final image is forming on this retina. So this is the way we can correct this defect by wearing this convex lens of suitable power. Now we are discussing the third types of a defect, that is known as presbyopia. We know that in the case of old age people, because of this, in the case of eye lens, we are seeing that ability to adjust the focal length. So when we become old, at the age of old, so this eye lens is losing its ability to adjust the focal length. So in that case, we can see that the near point of this object is recedes away, and they are not able to see this nearby object properly. So such types of a defect is known as presbyopia. And sometimes this type of a those who are having this type of a defect, they are suffering from both myopia and hypermetropia. So in order to correct this type of a defect, we are using a lens. The lens is known as a bifocal lens. Bifocal lens. So in the case of a bifocal lens, it is a combination of a convex lens and a concave lens. So by using this bifocal lens, we can correct this type of defects, that is known as a presbyopia.